tell me? Huh? You got something to say? Do you have something to say? You tell me. You tell me all about it. You tell me all about it. You gonna step up to me? Huh? You gonna tell me all about it? Huh? You gonna tell me? Yeah? You let me know. Yeah? You gonna tell me? You gonna tell me, huh? You gonna tell me a few things? Bird, 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 bird. Bird, 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 bird. Oh yeah. Bird, 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 bird. Are you a bird, 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 bird? I think you're a bird, 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 bird. Oh, is that your friend? Oh, you love your friend. You preening her? How sweet. Oh, she did not like that, Charlie and Shelly.
Scary.
He says, step on up. Put your finger in there. Put your finger in here, I dare ya. Put your finger in here. Put your finger in here.
He's pretty though, isn't he?
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's your best friend. You're getting the pin feathers off her head. You so sweet. Ooh, that would hurt. Be easy. Be easy. You gotta be easy. I know. Yeah, I don't understand Dutch. Yeah. I know. Oh my gosh, what a story you have to tell. Goodness. What a good bird. You have got lots of stories to tell, don't you? What?